Lesson 2 practices navigation group button. This group of button is very easy to understand. Let's start with new tab button. We have URL. Insert the link here. It's a good habit to set sleep time for each button. Let's start the automation. You can also start automation from any button by clicking Run from this node. Next, activate tab button. This button switches to the tab you want, so numbering starts from left to right. The browser just switches to the first tab. Next, open URL. Open the link right at the activating tab. For example, I would like to open facebook.com. Let's start automation. Next, close tab button. The name speaks for itself. You can close current tab or select the tab you want. The numbering starts from left to right. Let's see how this button performs. The last two buttons is go back and reload page. Well, once again, the name speaks for itself. This button has no parameters. That's the end of today's video. See you in next lesson.